So guys, hello. Today I want to show you very cool warming up if you are very busy people. So let's go. Only I up a little bit my camera, yes. So okay guys, also join my membership club in YouTube. Yes, so please let's develop together. So let's go. Do a very wide position of your legs. Also bring your back straight. Yes, so please remember about it. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. This exercise is very cool because at the same time we are training two parts of our body, knees and hips. Yes, so it's very cool. And also let's change our position. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, super. So after that, stay in this position. Yes. And what we do, we go down, yes, we try to our chest, pull to the leg with straight back also. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. So fix this position and try to up, yes, our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, super. Let's change. Warming up is also very important if you're training, because if you don't do warming up, you can't do more difficult exercise because your muscles, yes, don't prepare about it. So if you want broken something, yes, of course you can lose your warming up. But if you want to be healthy, yes, have good body and also good flexibility, please don't forget about warming up. It's at least 5 minutes, yes, and after that you can do more difficult exercise. So don't forget about our leg. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, super. After that, also do circles, yes, of our hands. Yes, I don't remember how to say in English, but this part of our body, please tell me in comments. And also our feet, yes, and another side. With also straight back, no this, yes, only this. You can follow the mirror. Okay, so after that we go to the position table. Yes, position table. And what we do, we will do waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Super. And also others. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so after that we do 1, we press on our legs, yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, super. After that we will train our shoulders. So go 1, 2, 3 and 4. And another side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so also compensation for your leg. Yes, do half circles in the up and also in the down. Okay, super. And so after that we can do more difficult exercise, yes, because our body preparing for this. So do vault position, and we start off pelvic floor routine, yes. So we broke our back, yes, and so we open our chest with breathing, yes, and try to open hips, yes. I think you can see in the mirror, yes, I open, and so breathe out, I close, yes. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So take this position. Also, if you're beginner, you can do in this position, yes. If you, yes, pro, and also if you can sit in the middle split, you can do this exercise in the middle split, yes, how I can do right now. So, and after that we go down and go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, after that we close. Yes, and right now we sit in position frog. I hope you remember this position, and we will up our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. And another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So cool. Okay, so after that we can sit in this position if you train all exercise what I did before, yes, and you repeat it also. I will show you this position and another sides, yes, so you can see. Yes, also we can do this and this exercise also in the same time. We can training several parts, yes, of our body. Right now it's hips, yes, also we can do with hands and with chest, yes. So right now it will be another without hands, yes, we put it anywhere, knees for example, and what we do, yes, open, press, yes, pressure yourself. Also you can do this with your leg, yes. A very small part of people also do exercise for leg. Yes, please do. Yes, and stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay guys, cool. After that we also go to the position frog. Also remember about compensation exercise, because this exercise save your energy for the another exercise, yes. And thanks to this exercise you can do your training longer, yes. If you don't believe me, please try this. Okay, so guys, I think it's all for this time. Thank you so much for choosing my trainings. I very appreciate about this. If you notice, I speak in English more better. Thanks for you because I make videos and also talk and so I improve my English. Thank you so much. Let's develop together. Yes, so thank you for like, subscribes, and also if you have any feedback about anything, please write it because everything watch, and if you have some questions, I will always answer it. Yes, so guys, see you soon. Bye bye.